at 17, as love was meant for beauty queen, and high school girls with clear skin smiles who married young and then retired. Valentine's I never knew, the Friday night charades of you were spent on one more beautiful. At 17 I learned the truth. And those of you with ragged faces, looking in the social graces, desperately remained at home, inventing lovers on the phone, who called to say who danced with me, and murmured with obscenity. In all it seems at 17. Well, Heidi there, Pluckers, I've a sore fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting forthcoming lesson preview. Okay, this of course is my take on At 17, as done by Janis in 1975. Beautiful track. I have already done a lesson on this. I did it several years ago actually, but it was a simplified version, okay, without any finger picking or alternate tuning. So I've decided to revisit this song and do it properly, inverted commas. Okay, so slightly two strings altered, the rest are standard, and the capo on the, well, it can be wherever you want it, of course. Janis originally played it with the capo on the 5th fret, but in later years she's moved it to the 4th fret, okay, so I'm using the 4th fret. I think it depends so much on the guitar as well. I've only got a small body guitar, so it's better in the lower position, okay, for me personally. Anyway, so thanks very much for watching. Hope you'll enjoyed that and come back for the lesson in a few days' time. Bye for now.